Hello students, good evening. In this session, we are going to understand about types of personality. Personality type refers to the psychological classification of different types of individuals. Personality types are sometimes distinguished from personality traits, with the latter grouping of behavioral tendencies. Researchers have divided personality types into four categories. So, personality is types of personalities is determined on the basis of behavior or characters expressed by a particular individual. So, it is distinguished on the basis of personality traits. So, traits means a collection of behavior, characters, and the way we think or the way we express our emotions. So, personality trait means it is a collection or combination of behavior, expression, and our character. Okay. So, there are four types of personality: type A personality, type B personality, type C personality, and type D personality. So, the people who belong to type A personality are categorized as the directors, and the type B personality group is characterized as the socializer, and type C as the thinker, and type D as the supporter. Let's begin. So, what is type A personality? Type A personality likes to be in charge and be in control of their environment and their lives. They are normally not very detail oriented, choosing to delegate details to others. They are usually very goal oriented and practical in their solutions, and arriving at their solutions and goals will entail a no nonsense bottom line approach, which means type A personality people have the following features. They are quick at studies and speak clearly and very fast, and provide short and strong answers to the question. So, they are quick to catch things. They are quick witted, right? The gap between asking question and receiving answers from them is very short. So, they quickly understand the question and quickly give response to the question asked. They often have strict and twisted face. So, basically they are khadus type or bossy type of person. They are not satisfied about their job and try to get higher positions. So, they are optimistic and never get satisfied. They try to grow bigger or they try to get to the higher position. They are ambitious and try a lot to win. So, they are very ambitious and always want to win in any situation. They like to dominate the opponent. They are often seen with clenched fist and have hostile face, which means they smile lesser or they are always angry looking people. Okay. So, what are the strengths of type A personality category? Embraces change. They quickly accept change in the society. They are usually entrepreneur or they belong to businessmen or business doing people or doing category. They are ambitious, which means they are passionate about their work. They dream big, aim higher, works well independently. So, they are usually independent or they are lesser dependent on other persons. They are very passionate, demands maximum freedom. So, they want freedom. They are very dominant, means they rule on other person. Have good administrative skill. So, which is very important to the leaders. So, administrative skills are basically possessed by leaders or business people, highly competitive, so they always want to win. Good delegation skills, so they are good in assigning work to others, so they are always multitasking, so they keep on doing many works. So what are their weaknesses? So they are very stubborn, they never give up, workaholic, so they always want to work, impatient, easily get angry, insensitive, so basically or usually they are insensitive, ill tempered, short fuse, intolerant and dominating. So the next category is type B personality. So the type B personality is a very outgoing, energetic and fast paced individual who likes to be around people and enjoys being the center of attention. So they are good relationship builders and most people like them right away. Their driving need is for approval, so they try to like everyone in hopes everyone will like them too. Compliments, acknowledgement of their achievements, words of admiration, and even applause from groups will be the most important thing you can do for them. So type B personality people are usually seen with favorable and mild smile. So they rarely interfere and talk while others are talking. These are their characters. So they never interfere in others' businesses, or they never interfere or talk when others are interacting, or they don't interrupt others' speech. The quality of their speech is uniform, so they talk very mildly or they talk in a sweet or good manner. Before answering question, they pause and think. So they think before doing or acting. Their face seems calm and friendly. Usually they are friendly person. This group tries to dominate the opponent. So this group of people also tries to dominate others. Competence is not important for them, so winning or competition is not important for them, and they are not usually ambitious from the work that they dominate on. Merit is not important for them, so good marks, good score is not important for them. They are not usually ambitious. They are satisfied about work that has been assigned to them, and they seldom sigh. So they are never sick of doing any work. So whatever work is assigned to them, they do it happily, and they live a happy life. Their method of conversation is calm and with pausing. So they talk very calm. So basically these type of people are called as Bindas group and find happiness in whatever they do. So their strengths are enthusiasm. So they are always energetic and optimistic. They love fun. They are fun loving. They are usually easily liked by most of the people. They are friendly. They are charismatic or adorable. So they motivate others. They are light-hearted, or it means light-hearted. So they take it as easy, or they never think too much, or they are never pessimistic. People oriented, so they focus on feelings of others. They are not obsessed, or they don't suppress others. So, and they are also self-confident. So the weaknesses of type B personality: too self-involved. They are too much involved in themselves and try to do too much at once. So these type of people try to do many works at a time. They usually are impatient. Doesn't finish what was started. So doesn't finish the work they start. So, which means they are incomplete, right? They never complete their work, or sometimes they don't complete their work. Short attention span, so their concentration level is a bit lower. Easily bored, so they get easily bored. They are impulsive. Next is what? Type C personality. Type C personality is a very detail oriented individual who likes to be involved in things that are controlled and stable. They are interested in accuracy, rationality, and logic. People who can't seem to control their emotions will bother them because type C personalities believe being emotional makes objectivity difficult or perhaps impossible. They also dislike being around people who are full of hype since they desire facts, accuracy, and logic. Other people's emotion may not be a priority for them as they tend to strive for the facts and let the chips fall where they may. So they are, to simply summarize, these type of people are very practical. So they think rationally or they think practically. So they seem to reality. So they walk towards reality. They accept the reality and face those facts or the reality. They openly face the reality. So these people are known with following features, or most people in this group love discovering new things and know the performance and application of things around them. So they are interested to learn about new things and they focus on learning or adopting new things around them. They are interested in details. So they try to do everything in detail. They seem calm and do not like to dominate the opponent. So they do not like to dominate other people. So they do not like to rule out on others. They don't get used to impose their beliefs to anyone. So they don't impose or they never try to force others. They are introvert and like their physical exercise and seem optimistic. People in this group have often mental stress and depression. So as they are practical, they never expect anything from others. Therefore, they never walk into stress or depression. Working with other people is difficult for them and they like to work alone. Usually, they like to work alone. They are independent and intelligent. People in this group are capable of getting a good career. So their strengths: they are accurate in what they do. They are very creative, innovative. They are dependable. So any person can depend on them. They are imaginative. So as they are creative, they imagine good things or they innovate things. They are independent. They never depend on others. Plays by the rules. They go by the ethics or go by the rules or follow the rules in the society. They are usually organized, well organized people. They do their work in a disciplined manner. They are intelligent. They are analytical. They think before they do, or they calculate their life. They calculate their activities. They critically think. So deeply they think before they act. Next, they always prefer to quality and very thoughtful. Their weaknesses: can appear unsocial. So these people usually avoid people. So they avoid talking with other people. They have critical behavior. So their behavior is little different. They usually like to do things on their own. Worry about progress. So they worry very much about the progress or the outcome or growth. Oh, they can see the glass half empty, which means that the way they think is different. So instead of seeing the glass half full, they see or they imagine the things which are hidden. They see the glass which is half empty, which means they think out of the box. They see the images or they see the things which are usually not seen by others. The way they think is different. They are skeptical and disbelieving. So they first, before doing something, they analyze the situation and then act. So usually they never have their personal expectations met. So their expectations are never reached. They are disorganized. They are disengaged. So usually the jobs which type C personality get are investigator, such as police, crime scene investigator, or any private detective, or engineers, technical support workers, game designers, data analyst, research scientists, pilot, programmer or analyst, artist, musician, accountant or auditor, inventor. So to say in simple, type C personality people are little hatke, which means they are little out of the box. They are not common people. Okay, the next is type D personality. A type D personality takes a slower, easier pace toward their work and life in general. They seek security and longevity on the job and are very happy doing a repetitive task day in and day out. They like to do repetitive works. The repetition allows them to become very skilled in what they do. Likewise, they won't like it if the rules change a lot. So they are usually unacceptable towards change. And that's contrary to their desire to minimize change and stick with what they know works. So they usually don't adopt new things or they don't try to learn new things. They just follow the things which they are capable of doing or which they are expert in doing it. For the type D personality, even though the current way may be unpleasant, they worry that the unknown may be even worse, even though the current situation is unfavorable to them. So even though they are unable to solve the situation or the problem in current trend, they think that the new trend may be even worse or it might be even difficult. So they never adopt change. So these type of group are affected by mental depression more than other groups. So they easily go into depression. They are stressed and get angry more than others. They don't feel comfortable with others. Usually they don't feel comfortable with others. They are social and like to communicate with others, but they fear that their behavior will not be accepted by others. So this group, the people which belong to this group are very stressed out. They think that instead of their happiness, the others behavior, other people's thoughts or other people's thinking matters the most for them. So they are focused on others rather than themselves. They have less self-esteem. They have less pride, and this fear threats them permanently. They will not be accepted by others. So the thinking of others or what other things matters them the most. They usually try to please others and find happiness in pleasing others. So therefore they are more stressed out because they want to satisfy others. Some scientists believe that all personal features aren't genetic and some factors affect them and may affect a person who is situated at an special position. So it is believed by the scientists that personal features aren't genetic. Some features are not inherited by our parents. They also tend to change on the basis of particular situation or particular place. So their strength is they are usually caring and sincere, compassionate. So they understand others' feeling. They are stable in what they do. They are fair and equitable. So they usually don't do the things which are wrong or which are unacceptable by the society. They are usually calm, dependable, and appearance of strength. So they usually have good strength, mental and physical strength. They trust on others and they have lesser mood swings. Their mood is stable. Weaknesses: not speaking up. So usually they are uncommunicative or unsocial. Usually don't speak a lot. Easily used by others. So they are easily fooled by others, or others you make a good use of them. Going along when they don't agree. So even if they don't agree with at some particular point with their opponent, but still they go with them or they still agree. Uncomfortable with constant change. As we already know, they don't accept change. Going along to avoid confrontations. So they are usually fearful. They easily fear or get scared. Less assertive. So they usually don't ascertain their work. So they are a bit clumsy. Shy people, resistant to change. So this is all about types of personality. See you in next session. Thank you.